Gotten scammed or swindled? Well, here's how Uncle Sam might be able to ease the pain. Falling victim to a financial scam is really bad enough. Trying to figure out the tax consequences behind it makes you feel like you're getting scammed for the second time. So let's break it down. The current tax law on theft loss deductions doesn't really help out any. Thanks to the Tax Cut and Jobs Act of 2017, from 2018 through 2025, you can generally only deduct theft losses if they're tied to a federally declared disaster. So if you got duped in a scam that didn't involve a hurricane, earthquake, or zombie apocalypse, the IRS says no deduction for you. But wait, there are exceptions. One, if the loss happened in your business, it might be deductible as a business expense. Two, if the loss came from an investment scam, think like Ponzi scheme, the IRS might actually cut you a break. Victims of Ponzi schemes may be able to deduct the full amount of the lost investment, minus any recoveries or payouts received. The IRS treats it as a theft loss entered into for a profit, which means you can claim it as an itemized deduction, not subject to the $100 per event or 10% of AGI limits normally seen. It's reportable on the 4684, and the IRS gives specific guidelines on how to follow it. But not so fast. To claim the theft loss, you've got to be able to prove that there was a theft under state law. That often means showing criminal intent. A bad investment does not count. You generally claim the deduction in the year you discover the loss, but if there's a chance you'll recover the money, the deduction might have to wait. And if the loss was personal use property, get ready for the limits, like $100 per event or 10% of your adjusted gross income. Now, when it comes to the states, all the states are a little bit different. Some of the states will still let you deduct the total theft loss. So don't give up hope on that. It just depends on the state that you're in. And there's more. Congress has been kicking around a bill called the Tax Relief for Victims of Crimes, Scams, and Disaster Act. If passed, it would bring back the deductions for scam victims. But don't pop the champagne cork just yet. It's still just a proposal. So what should you do if you get scammed? You want to give us a call here at irsprob.com, 214-214-3000. We can let you know what chances you have of actually being able to deduct this loss. Scams are terrible, but with the right help, you might at least get to soften the tax blow of the scam. I'm Randy Martin at irsprob.com. We help good people with IRS problems. If you or someone you know is having an IRS problem, you need to give us a call right now. Telephone number is 214-214-3000. Our 1-800. You can look us up online at irsprob.com. That's Randy Martin with irsprob.com.